trajectory prediction is a fundamental task for many applications, such as safe navigation of self-driving cars and mobile robots. For this purpose, many algorithms are proposed, and in parallel, lots of effort are made towards benchmarking these algorithms. As a result, we see an increasing number of pedestrian trajectories datasets recorded in various situations and with different properties. In this work, we make an overview of existing HTP datasets and propose a package to mathematically model and evaluate them. This can also open the possibilities of analyzing or designing new datasets. Then we designed a set of interpretable indicators to evaluate datasets from three aspects: predictability, regularity, and context complexity.